upalite kamere.
Thank you for joining us on the Inside Burj Al Arab tour. We are looking forward to guiding you through this world-famous landmark and taking you on a journey which few have been on, with uninterrupted ocean views. As we journey closer to the hotel, you get a greater sense of how tall and majestic this megastructure is.
Sad mašimo ovima što nam nisu pustili.
We are about to start crossing the coveted 340-meter long bridge leading to Burj Al Arab, where many wish to tread, but few have been able. We have constructed a platform purpose-built to capture that most iconic of Dubai moments, with the hotel perfectly situated behind you. If you would like to take some photos, we will be stopping shortly and have a camera set up for the perfect shot. While you wait for your turn, please take in the breathtaking views of Medinat Jumeirah and Jumeirah Beach Hotel. But please, refrain from crossing the road for your own safety.
Wow.
Okay, you can go inside the barrier, please.
Okay.
You can go over here. Alright, as a part of your tour, I will take some photos here by group, by family, couples, or friend. How many of you can come here? How many of you, madam? Four of you, you can come inside, you can give me your
But we are not family.
Yes. Yes, where's the other? Where's the one? Sir,
But-
where's yes, please, you can go inside. Okay, that's what you guys the food mark? Yes, please in the mark. Madam, thank you.
Wow. Sever.
Yes, thank you very much.
Kako bi se okupao sad kad vidim ovo. Wow.
Questa forma. Nisam uspjela uhvatiti ovo sve skupo.
Čuvaj, ovo je gazi.
Ali možete uhvatiti ovako?
Ne, nisam uspio. Aha, da te slikam tako.
Da. Ovako? Da. Same stuff?
Normal room is like 1,500.
Gle, ovo kako da ga drži.
Yeah. This is just like a idea. Yes. Next time.
Las playas aquí son bonitas, a mí me gustan. Y no son calientes nada.
Y son azules.
Son muy lindas.
No como los de tubo, pero son azules.
No, pero cuando estás dentro del agua son azules. O sea, no se ve azul, se ve medio verdoso.
Dentro del agua que se ve azul.
No, pero por encima sí. No se ve bien. Le decimos adiós a Burj Al Arab y nos vamos por la playa. No hace falta que buscar la foto y la pones. Y de verdad, un video y todo. Qué lindo, mira eso.